Hello techies! Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Fowler. Let me see if I can. Proxy is Ashish Mishra. Oops. Cannot proxy. Let me see. Let me get some names. Janice Andrews. Oops. Okay. Oh, Josh Wood. Okay, let's go with Josh Wood. Let me start proxy. Okay. Let me see if I can proxy as Josh Wood. It allows. So let's go into Josh Wood. Josh Wood profile. So now we are logged in as Josh Wood. And now Josh says that okay, I am part of this one, the company auditor. Let me try to create a company. Okay. So he says I am assuming that he doesn't have any other access. Oh, he has the access. Maybe he has some other access which allows him to do that. Not a good example. I'm trying to see somebody who has only access to this. Someone for Ashish. No, but for some other example. So the first one that we were looking at. Does anyone remember any other idea from that list? I wish. What was the name again? Manish. Ashish. 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 ASHI. Okay, MASH. Okay. Let me try with this. Ashish. What happens is you can have like one kind of access, and you can be part of other groups as well, which will give you the access. That may have happened in this case. Let me see. Okay. Okay. Company. Oh, he also has the access. So maybe again, he's also part of something else. Okay. No problem. We will look at it using a different example. Or maybe let's go to Logan again. Let's go to being Logan. Anyway, but if you look at that particular domain, security policy, it says that if somebody is a company, auditor only. Okay. They will not have access to create a company. They only have few access. So how did we go there? We first went to functional areas. And in the functional areas, we were looking at a particular functional area. What was it again? What was the functional area we were looking at? Organization. organizations and roles. And we were looking at the particular domain that was Create Company. So let's go here. So now, if I look at the domain security policy, okay. You see here that the finance auditor or the HR auditor, they only have a few access. Okay. On the other hand, the company admin, the implementers, and the integration administrators, they have a view and a modify. Now this is how a domain security policy looks like. It has this view and modify kind of accesses, and it also has a get and put access for this is for integrations. When we create our integration send, we will use this kind of permissions. A get or a put get is equivalent to view. Put is equivalent to modify. But the get and put are web services equivalent terms. So when we use web services, we have a get operation or a put operation. That's why we use these terms, because it makes more sense from an integration perspective. But for the UI, for the system, when we are logging into the user interface like the web browser, we are mostly concerned using the view and the modify kind of access. So let me now show you another interesting report or a task that we can run to arrive at the same page. Make a note of this particular task. It is Domain Security Policies for Functional Area. Please make a note of this task or this report. Domain Security Policies for Functional Area. Now, if I go here, it asks you what is the functional area you want to see. What was the functional area again? Organization and tools and roles. Right, see, if I put that as a functional area, and put that as a functional area and it's like okay. So you see the difference in the way we can view this. So it gives you a list of all the domains and subdomains that are part of this functional area. Remember they were 109. I think they were 109 domains and subdomains that were sorry domains that were part of this particular functional area. So all that 109 are listed here. Okay, all the 109 are listed here, so you might say, hey, it doesn't look like 109. But yes, you see that there is a difference in the icons. Some of them look like folders. Some of them look like files. Correct. So these are your domains and subdomains. So if you click on these folders, it may have one or more than one subdomain. Like if I expand location, you see, one of them is here. Let's go to Organization Company. If I expand that there are 3 different subdomains that are part of this particular domain. Okay, again, Organization Cost Center. There will be 3 more. So if I want to edit the permissions of her, let's say this one, Create Company. I come here again in the Create Company and I think that, okay, the finance auditor should also have the ability to create a company. Then what should I do? I did permission. I should be able to edit the permission. And then what? I need to move them to the group of security groups, which already have the modify accents right. So I can scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you see there is a big button which says Edit Permissions. I am able to edit this permissions. Now again, let me ask if it will anybody and everybody be able to edit the permissions.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.